Hello viewers, in this video we see RF based home automation using a remote. As you can see in the circuits, the main components are RF transmitter and receiver, encoders and decoders, push buttons, resistors and lithium ion batteries. This system mainly consists two sections, one is transmission section and the other is receiving section. You can see the circuit here. In transmission section, there are three components. One is encoder, the other is transmitter and push buttons. And in the receiving section, the decoder and the receiver and devices. I have connected LEDs here. Let us see how it works. Generally, the RF transmitter consists 4 pins. One is VCC pin, ground pin, data pin and transmitter antenna pin. We give 9 volts to VCC pin and the data pin is from the encoder, that is HT12 encoder, and the transmitter pin consists antenna. And when coming to the reception section, the RF receiver will have 4 pins: VCC, ground, data, reception antenna pin. This is also consisting other antenna, and the decoder pin will be connected to data pin and VCC is given. The data pin here will receive the signals from the switches we attach to this encoder. I have given 4 switches in order to control 4 devices. As you can see in the circuit, the pins here 1 to 9 will be assigned 0B, 000, 000, 00 address. In the same way, the decoder will also set to the same address. This is indicating that the encoder and the decoder are set to same address and are connected mutually. Whenever you click on switch 1, it sends the signal to the encoder that encodes the data and gives this data to the RF transmitter. This transmitter will send a signal that is of 434 megahertz frequency, and this frequency will be received by the receiver in the reception section. The data that is received by the RF receiver will again be decoded whenever the data is sent to the HT12 decoder. This decodes and sends the instructions to the devices. So if you click on switch 1, the device 1 will be on. In the same way, whatever the switch you click on here, the device will be operated. The range of this RF transmitter will be from 1 to 2 kilometers. I have designed this remote to be handy. This transmitter can send a signal that is of 434 megahertz, as you can see on the module. The data transmission of this remote will be of 10 kilobytes. The transmitter and the receiver are generally 4-bit data encoder and decoders. So we can make 16 combinations in order to control the devices. Let us see the demonstration of this system. I use this switch in order to switch on the remote to save the battery life. I click on switch 1 to on the device 1. I click on 2 to on device 2. In the same way we do for third device and fourth device. We can switch them off in the same manner and switch the remote off. So, this is how we can make a remote controlled home automation system. Using this system, we can control our devices from any distance just by having this remote in our hands. The usage of this system will be extended just by replacing these LEDs with our home appliances. If you want to replace them, you just add relay to that and give supply of 230 volts and make use of this system to make home automation controlled by remote. Thank you for watching.